The art of apology across cultures. Did you know that a simple apology could build trust or completely backfire, depending on how it's delivered? In global business, the way you apologize matters. Understanding cultural nuances around apologies is crucial for resolving conflicts, restoring relationships, and succeeding in diverse environments. In Western cultures, apologies are often concise, focusing on accepting responsibility and proposing solutions. A statement like, "I'm sorry for the mistake. Here's how I'll fix it," is highly valued. It signals accountability and pragmatism, reflecting a results-driven, problem-solving mindset. In many Asian cultures, apologies go beyond words. They reflect humility, honor, and the intent to strengthen relationships. It's common to express regret indirectly or with nonverbal cues, emphasizing the broader harmony of the group over individual accountability. In Middle Eastern cultures, apologies must balance acknowledging fault while preserving personal and family honor. Public apologies may be less common, with private reconciliation often preferred. In diplomatic settings, Middle Eastern leaders often frame apologies in terms of miscommunication or shared responsibility to maintain dignity for all parties involved. Global professionals must adapt apologies to the cultural context. A good rule? Listen first, understand unspoken expectations, and deliver your apology thoughtfully. It's about showing sincerity on terms your counterpart values, not just your own. Apologies bridge gaps across cultural divides when done right. Master this essential skill and watch your relationships thrive. Follow us for more tips on mastering global business etiquette.